Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. In this video, we will try to implement this getAll function, getAll controller. So now here, let's try to see. So this is our candidate profile, and this one we will try to save it as an getAll, or otherwise getAll. Save it, and this one also. I hope this one save it. And here we will try to get all details. So let's go to here, and in this code. Let's go to our candidate profile.service.ts file. Okay, and I will have something like async get all. That's it, it's finished, right? Get all only will keep it. So here let's say that constant candidate profiles is equal to await prisma dot candidate profile dot. So you have a method that is nothing but find many. Automatically it will give you all the details, and here you can send the candidate profiles directly. And in our candidate profile here, what I can do it is constant candidate profiles is equal to what I want to do it is await candidate profile service dot get all. That's it. So now here candidate profile details, and here you can send the candidate profile, sorry, not profile service, candidate profiles. Now let's go to our route.ts file. We also have this one. Let's go into here, and here get all. Let's try here in this one. So if I try to get it, okay, it's not running. Why? Because maybe it is trying. Yeah, let it run. Let's click on this one again. Sometimes it will take some time. Yeah, now you will be able to see the details, one test user. So everything we are able to get it. So now if I want to get a particular candidate profile detail with an ID means, then what I can do. So now here let's close this one, candidate profile here. So async, so I can write something like async here. We can write it as an async, and I can write get one. Okay, and we'll get the ID. Sorry, we'll get on these all the things. We'll get the request, response, and all those things. Okay, and here what I will be trying to do it is, let's go to the service, and here async get candidate by ID, and this one will be ID which is of type number. And here if you try to see constant candidate profile is equal to await prisma dot candidate profile dot find. So here you will be able to see find first or find unique, whatever it may be. So here you can take it as a find unique, and you can add a condition where ID. Okay, so you can add it like this, and now you can return the candidate profile. So if the profile is not there, so if not of candidate profile, so let's try to check afterwards. So now we are returning the candidate profile, and let's go into the controller.ts file, and we are having this get one, right? So here constant candidate is equal to await candidate profile service dot get candidate by ID, and here we need to pass request dot params dot ID, so which we will be trying to send it, and this one should be a number, so that's why I need to add a plus. Now here I can send response dot status of status code dot okay, and here I will be sending the JSON and message. So candidate profile got successfully, so you can add some message, and here I can add the data, and I can send the candidate. That's it. So now we need to add this get one. Let's go to our route.ts file, and here I can add candidate profile routes dot get of slash question colon id, just like the Angular you can use it. Candidate profile controller dot get one. That's it. And we need to wrap it with an async wrapper, so in order to capture the errors, if you are having any, if you are throwing any errors. So this is one thing which you need to wrap it. Just I want to show you. Okay, and this one also is wrapped, and here you can also call verify user, so that you can have a request user in your place, and here also you can add it. Fine, done. Now let's go to our code. This one is done, right? Now let's go to our here in this one. Let's see the output for here. So now we are getting only get single, right? Duplicate this request, and here I can use single candidate. Okay, so single candidate, and this one is get request, and if I want to get it means /1 I need to add, and click on the send request. So you should be able to see please log in. Okay, let's go to the sign in, and here I will click on this one, sign in successful, and single candidate, and if I click on this one again, see candidate profile got successfully, we are able to get the candidate detail. For example, let's say that I am clicking on /2 which doesn't exist. So candidate profile did successfully, data null, but here you should not get it like this. You should show some error that candidate with the ID of 2 doesn't exist. Like this we need to show the message. So for this one what we need to do is, let's go to the service, and here if not of candidate, if not of candidate profile, if candidate profile doesn't exist, throw new bad request exception of candidate with the ID of $ID doesn't exist. Done. So if you try to see the output, the same output here, let's click on this one. See you, oh sorry, it's taking some time, let it take, and see candidate with ID 2 doesn't exist. So now if I try to click on /1, and here if I try to get it, see candidate profile got successfully unable to get it. And if I go to the get all, and if I click on this one, so you will be able to get the get all request. So let's try to create another one, test user 2. Let's have the same thing only. Let's try to create it. Invalid Prisma constant candidate profile unique constraint failed. What is that unique constraint? So what we have kept the unique thing in this one. Phone number, do we keep the unique thing? Let's try to check it in our schema code. I think nothing is. Oh, okay, for single user, okay, candidate, okay, the logged in user must be the only candidate, right? Okay, so let's try to go into here, into this one, and let's try to sign up with another user like test1@test2.com, and here I will do test2.com. Let's sign up. User sign up successfully, and here I will try to log in with the test user 2 and click on the send. Candidate profile successful. We'll try to handle those scenarios also. So now get all request means it will try to give all the profiles. So that means you are having 2 profiles. Okay, so 1 and 3 is there. So now if I try to get 1 and 1 means, so you are able to get it. So right now, and 1 and also 3 also you are able to get it. So leave it about this one. So why? Because the user logged in user is only the user ID 3, but I am able to get a profile detail of 1 also. So I will try to handle this situation also in the upcoming video. Just I am trying to show you. So we are able to get these details also, and get all details, it's working fine, and everything we are able to get it. And if I try to get a ID which doesn't exist, so if you try to see candidate with ID 2 doesn't exist, and with ID 3 it has. Okay, so here that's it. So that's it guys about this concept. So we are able to retrieve all the candidate profile details. Hope you understood about these details. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.